How to Start Investing in Cryptocurrency, Beginner's Guide. What if I told you there's a revolution happening right now that could redefine the way we think about money? A world where your dollars work for you in ways you never imagined? That world is cryptocurrency. But here's the catch. You're either getting ahead of the curve or falling behind. Today, I'll guide you through the basics of investing in crypto. And by the end, you'll have the tools to make your first move confidently. Stay tuned because the final tip might just save you from losing thousands. Let's dive in. Understanding the crypto landscape. What is cryptocurrency? Before we talk numbers, let's break down what cryptocurrency actually is. Simply put, it's digital money secured by cryptography, powered by blockchain technology. Imagine a transparent ledger that no one can alter and everyone can trust. That's the foundation of crypto: decentralization and transparency. Sounds futuristic, right? Why invest in crypto? Now, why should you care? Let's talk potential. Bitcoin, for instance, went from being worth pennies to over $60,000 at its peak. While it's not all rainbows and sunshine, the opportunities are undeniable. Crypto offers diversification, hedge against inflation, and access to financial systems worldwide. But remember, with great reward comes great risk. So where do you start if you're completely new? Glad you asked. How to start investing. Step 1. Choose a reliable exchange. The first step is selecting a trustworthy cryptocurrency exchange. Think of it as your gateway to the crypto world. Popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Look for user-friendly platforms with robust security measures. And no, my cousin's new app isn't a safe choice. Step 2. Set up a secure wallet. Once you've bought crypto, where do you keep it? A secure wallet. Think of it like a digital vault. Hot wallets are convenient for quick trades, while cold wallets, hardware devices, offer maximum security. Ever heard the phrase, not your keys, not your coins? If you don't control the private keys, you don't own the crypto. Step 3. Start small and diversify. Crypto is volatile. Prices can skyrocket or plummet within hours. That's why you should start with an amount you're comfortable losing. Bitcoin and Ethereum are solid beginner options, but diversification is key. Ever thought about putting all your eggs in one basket? Exactly. Now that you've got the basics covered, let's talk strategy. Smart strategies and risk management strategy. 1. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Instead of trying to time the market, consider dollar cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly. This approach reduces the impact of market volatility and takes the pressure off trying to predict the unpredictable. It's like planting seeds over time instead of dumping them all at once. Strategy 2. Research before you invest. Let's face it, crypto can feel like the Wild West. That's why research is crucial. Before investing in a coin, ask yourself, who's behind it? What problem does it solve? Does it have real-world use? And if your research involves TikTok influencers shouting "to the moon," you might need to rethink your sources. Speaking of research, there's one critical mistake most beginners make that you need to avoid. Strategy 3. Avoid emotional trading. Here's the golden rule: never let emotions drive your decisions. Fear and greed are your biggest enemies in the crypto world. Remember the FOMO, fear of missing out, hype around meme coins? Many jumped in too late and lost big. Stay disciplined, stick to your strategy, and tune out the noise. Final tip: secure your investments. Crypto is a lucrative space, but it's also rife with scams and hacks. Always enable two-factor authentication, avoid phishing attempts, and keep your private keys private. Treat your crypto like you treat your most valuable possession. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to investing in cryptocurrency. Remember, crypto isn't just about making money. It's about being part of a financial revolution. Start small, stay informed, and make wise decisions. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more actionable tips. Your financial freedom starts now. See you in the next video.